Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Tucson headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a new H7 bulb, and possibly a 10mm socket. Make sure your vehicle's engine is off and completely cool to prevent burns. You'll need to access the headlight assembly, which is located behind the front bumper. This process is straightforward, but requires careful attention to detail for a successful replacement. To begin, you'll need to remove two 10mm bolts that secure the headlight assembly in place. Once these bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight unit forward. This will allow you to access the wiring harness. Carefully disconnect the main power connector from the back of the bulb housing. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or wires, ensuring a smooth removal process. Now, with the headlight assembly free, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new H7 bulb, as oils from your skin can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's securely in place. Reconnect the power connector, then slide the headlight assembly back into position, securing it with the two 10mm bolts. After installation, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both high and low beams to ensure proper illumination and alignment. Make sure all connections are secure and the headlight assembly is firmly in place. This ensures safety and optimal performance. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless with minimal effort, offering voice control and self-emptying features for pet owners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.